talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Edge app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this is here and then you're looking for Edge, Microsoft Edge app, or just click on search. Then here add Edge app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is click here on full stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store. Then here you search for Microsoft Edge app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here if you click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.